Hey. Come on.
Oh, good! Hey, get it. Hey. Ooh.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video.
Yo! Welcome to the first
vlog of the channel. They are so cute.
Them boys chilling. Yeah, but if you walk in that door, they ain't gonna be chilling no more.
This is Millie, and this is Rupert. Rupert? I think that's how you pronounce it.
So as you guys see by the title, man, first vlog of the channel. Today we're gonna go
Camera shopping.
camera shopping.
Hey guys, what's up? How's your day going so far? Right now it's like 3:20. So let us know how's your day going. Ours is going pretty good. I got my hair in a ponytail, so I'm not bald. It looks like it. I'm trying to figure out what to do with my hair. Like, I always take it down whenever I have like an install or I have braids or something. And then when I get ready to take them down, I don't know what to do with my hair because it's a lot. So I just put it in a ponytail. I want to cut it, but he like, nah, bro, you gonna like a dude. They can't see me. Can you see me? So, babe, how's your day going?
Our day been great, guys.
They've been great.
They don't know how to give thanks, you know? Yep.
Yep. So we're on our way to Best Buy. We're gonna look for a camera because right now we're using our phones.
Yes.
We have what's this? iPhone 7 Plus or 7?
7. It's a 7 plus.
It's a 7. Mine's a 7. Yours the same thing, right?
Yeah, we both got the same phone.
Okay, well, we both got the same phone. So right now we're using our phones, which is good, but I think we want it for like better quality. Because, like, you know, it's good. The quality is good on here, but a camera, it has
Trying
better
to get
quality.
the best camera for you guys, man. You know what I'm saying?
So, yeah. We're going to be recording every day. We're going to be recording every day.
Stop.
Yo, why do he think it's okay to ride this big old horse in the middle of the street? Why? All these horses. Okay.
Tom. The
Hi,
time
y'all.
is 6:30 a.m.
Hey guys,
We are at Best Buy. We're looking at cameras. But right now he's looking at this
Have a
Google
wonderful
Home
day.
I'm looking at Google Home.
Wait, can y'all see that?
Oh, lucky one of these though.
He wants a Google Home Hub.
What do you guys think in the comments, man? Is that no? No?
I mean, you could. Y'all, the one thing about vlogging in public is everybody like looks at you. And I didn't realize how like shy I was. Like how like nervous I was gonna be about vlogging in public until I came to Best Buy. Everybody,
Look, man. Yo, we don't shy, man. She the shy one over here. Yo, each time somebody come around, she, oh shit. These right here.
every time somebody comes behind us or like comes near us, I'll be like, oh snap, let me stop the video. People looking at us. I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I think I'll get used to it once we do
Yeah,
a couple
guys,
more
don't mind
vlogs.
what she's saying. So today we are currently in Best Buy, man, looking for a camera.
Camera on you. Look, you over here twisting it around and stuff.
Come on, then at the camera section now. Trying to see which camera we gonna get, man. Check these prices out, though. That color. Oh. Which one I think is the best one?
I like the quality on, like, this one looks nice. But
Yeah, this one was nice, though. I ain't gonna lie to you.
the Canon G7X, this is what a lot of people use. This one's not that bad.
What was that one? So, guys, we're trying to see which camera is the best one.
It's not like focusing on me.
Not any of these, though.
It's like the background too, babe.
Who?
It blares like the black background. Huh?
Man, what you guys think, man? Which camera is the best one, man? Oh, shit.
I like both of them. They have good quality. This one, like, it shows like, I don't know, like it shows weird. Look. Oh shoot.
I don't know.
I mean, I like both of them.
Man, yeah, guys, leave a comment below, man. Tell us which camera is the best one, man.
Even though we're probably gonna get one before.
Yeah, before y'all made it coming, so we definitely gonna get one right now, guys. But trying to see.
We'll come back to y'all when we figure out which camera we're getting.
Oh. All right, guys, man. We secure the bag, man. You know what I'm saying? We got a new camera. We're gonna show you guys once we get home. Sorry, guys, we couldn't get to vlog as much as we want to because we was talking to an employee. He was telling us what's the best quality and all of that good stuff, man. So, hey, vlog's about to be lit. Know what I'm saying? Got a camera in his mug.
Can you show me?
Huh?
Can you show me?
Show you?
Yes.
Man, it's all about me right now. Shit. Know what I'm saying? All right, honey.
Thank you. Jeez, guys, we have secured the bag. Okay. Y'all.
And that's one step closer to our goal, you know what I'm saying?
We was like, I was nervous about this purchase because I don't like purchasing big stuff, like big items, and not come through for us. But he was like, this is the best one for right now. This is the best. Dang, his thing huge. Well, he got like a muffler under there. What's a muffler? Is that
Muffler is one.
Look, I've heard a lot of people talk about mufflers and stuff, so I don't know anything about cars, okay? But back to what we was talking about. So the guy in Best Buy, the sales rep, he told us about this camera that we just purchased, and he told us that it's a good camera, it's a good investment for the future, for like the long run. So we're gonna have good quality videos. I'm very excited about the videos that's coming. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. Because this camera is huge, okay? It's huge.
As I say, once we reach home, we're gonna show you guys what camera we got and what we got, accessories we got with it and such and such.
Yeah.
Guys, so stay tuned, man.
Just stay tuned for these
2019.
videos.
If you're enjoying the team, hit the subscribe button. Get with it. Pull your socks up, man. 2019, man. If you want to achieve something, man, get up, go do it. Stop waiting. Don't be like, oh, I'm gonna go to the gym summer. No, go to the gym right now. Get up, go sign up, go to the gym. If you want to go to school, get up, go to school, achieve your goals, man. Don't sit back and wait. Time don't wait on nobody.
Get it done.
Time ain't waiting. All right?
Exactly.
Get your ass up out of bed.